Ding, ding, ding. Okay. So, ka voice kan ngai check potang mic hi. Kenge, is it working or oh? Is it working or acha. Awar ka masing kan share potang eng po chuni se je lo ngak ula. Let's start kan tilokang lo ngak lokula. And how was your examination? Hemi himin shilve potolomo. How was your examination? What was the level emo? Lauzi akula kalau chiarang re laute. Akila loko array lawang. Just wait. Array lawang just few more minutes. Let's loko nang mani pon in groupa theichuan lo share ula because already exam chu zauton lo mi. Okay. Sir Jeff, first hello sir from Falkland. Falkland what have lo share ula. Paper 2, yes. Let's start solving. And Instagram kan englo lelo nga relevant just few more minutes. And after that pakhatte ten kan solvang. And let's see what type of question. What there? Story ka mai te ka mai ka upload tripalom le means ka today's exam solutions tihian ka zia ka nga katay pa nga okay and link tahian kan taang questions so hi atam nge ka shalo alendi nge rate talk slide siam chung yot pon tinge koive yes now link here is the link today's exam okay WhatsApp आप share तो करो ठीक है now group allow mem remaining group tahian solutions and one more group to tell yes leh tuna a start thei to dona 126 ठीक है ई का वॉइस वक्त कन चेक ले 126 ठीक है अच्छा ले स्टार्ट ang tatrangian so welcome you all to my YouTube channel Mizoram Education Hub and today's paper series A questions kaiman ka solvanga series A questions which country first means GK one volume up to him actually हम लोग volume loko azo yani mo अच्छा tuna a clear है मिलोशिल ते ओके पोगा share dar thank you so much मिलोशिल उला tuna clear है and video na kina try and teach you and like donyo nia live lawan izan don't na puju pu ka ni lo ka no pang du yes clear dra le ani in comment po cheer zelang ai dona kabana kham ang yes so here is the first question and which country is the host of 9th Asian Winter Games in Chiang at the time of Valentine week Valentine week our groups are poem question because of Chiang Lutuk Chewa at that time so 7th to 14th February China is correct answer okay clear Sarian chocolate tak all male acha kanandonia which European Union country became the largest to legalize recreational use of cannabis in 2024 yes je having a thing here oh Germany chu ania masing which country has been admitted as a partner country of the BRICS bloc in January 2025 Nigeria is correct. State of Climate 2024 report was published by which organization? So climate and climate always means more than 80% question meteorological organization he answer anichina because a organization dang po omtai this type climate change but meteorological organization here more than 80 to 90% question are unrelated. What is the rank of India's what is the rank of India in the Henley Passport Index? Semi la roll to 85 is correct answer. Okay. So who among the following has won the men's single title in the recently held Australian Open to the Hemi Jannik Sinner. Which states W won the first prize in the state or US category at the Republic Day Parade. Chupo 2025 Akei Mani means Heta Uttar Pradesh is correct. Vande Mataram Bankim Chandra Chatterjee is also correct. Mets be kha itidon motia. Yes, Mets pohem is huntam daw kalalawang. Paper 2 poga solvanga just wait okay who is regarded as father of modern India Raja Ram Mohan Roy who was the last viceroy of India Lord Mountbatten Mopla rebellion in 1921 in Malabar was Muslim peasant rebellion against Muslim chunithelo tahian Muslim atika apoilo hemi hi answer digdon lawa British yes British and Hindu British government authority lay Hindu land holders because Hindu hey aristocratic do anting zamindar house do le class do how with hemi British how hi anni means hemi te pani against anni Muslim peasants so maseng options hi pani omdeya engtin ngeni don yes both are separate unseparate they Tahian and British government authority chunita se D answer ni turania Tahian British po antia and Hindu po anziak tela anting ani dawn la hold real module hold re ila when was the first Republic Day celebrated 26th January 1950 okay 26th January 1950 is correct answer Chimizo next question bonus oh nia bonus ithiam dan email chathe suala nia bonus me ithe yang kashala ule hemi ma two nation theory Lahore me chu direct Cheer Tampongalo. Jagoi is the dance form of which state? Jagoi Hilara and one of the classical dances. Manipuri dance and it is Manipur. What is the number of schedules in the Constitution of India? 12 schedule late 25 parts. What is the minimum stay essential before a person can apply for Indian citizenship. Its correct answer is 7 years idikton. Okay. So our WhatsApp group hi la join with hey yes join telom englowa omang I description a link omanga masinga tingya in one like claim e memrin. Okay. As per the Constitution of India, new All India service can be instituted only on the initiative of which among the following? Only in upper house. Okay. Rajya Sabha. Thing is, kapen hi akal chavak launi. No, normally under the election commission's norm, how far can a polling only 2 kilometer? 2 kilometer. Who among the following elects the president of India? Hang how we all see is correct. Which article of Indian Constitution gives power to the Parliament to amend the Constitution? To amend the Constitution. There are Hemi 368. It is correct. Which is the highest populated state in India? Hemi Uttar Pradesh and Chiang Tuka Hangei to Achintau 22 crore Michigan kan means Hemi Uttar Pradesh. Mizoram at Nuai som paniang pon ngaila loko ti ka pen hi Nuai som pani ang pontian ngai ila and Uttar Pradesh mi how hi of 6 7 BL pangale BL pangakan selila reilote atan 2024 angin ngaila so let zani an Mizoram mi omzat and Uttar Pradesh mi omzat hante ken la compare la let 200 times more people an Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following river has the largest basin in India? Ganga is correct directly. Which of the following is the wettest? Oh, Masenra. This is correct. The monsoon season in India is affected by El Nino. Jim Corbett National Park is located in which of the following state of India? Uttarakhand, Amajan Haley National Park and the Chinatro. The energy stored is heat in the earth geo. Yes, geothermal energy. Why are the western slopes of Western Ghats covered with dense forest in comparison to the eastern slopes? More rainfall can be more rainfall hedik. Yes, more rainfall will be correct answer. And what is the important function of taxation? Generate fund for. This is also correct. Which among the following sectors work can be outsourced? So tertiary is correct. Okay, tertiary will be correct answer. Kaipo Odisha ka bolt. Odisha ani lawang kathiam lo le mai kathiam lo le ni paper to jo. Karon like lut ngal pope acha. Voi ni ka like ania. Jagoi dancing Manipur katik pata mase kering hel Odisha ka bolt. No Odisha ni don lawa. The main purpose of buffer stock in India. Buffer stock in India. I think buffer stock himo kama December 2024 exam upon buffer stock at Chuakin Kashia. Yes, Group B, UDC non-gazetted. So this question here to reduce food price fluctuation. This is actually correct answer. Surplus production means thil shimshiman produce yan sarkarin amabula means anmani bulan leide chin throw for emergency moments like earthquake or flood. At that time, okay. Which industry is related to the second green revolution? Second green revolution hi horticulture anila fisheries point lawa food processing hi anidon. Okay, which of the following is a domestic payment? Domestic comes at you only in India. Acha visa that you Anglo abroad apo mantia hang out po hidra. Rupee is correct answer. Rupee is correct. Take off stage in economy. Take off stage kanti hian hangei to jinto aeroplane ain jan nanting yam jinga take off piang in tihian kan drove me mang ami aeroplane angin ngayula take off piang in hemi height increase elatro so stage of growth tihian. What is a moderate degree of controlled inflation called. Moderate degree stagflation hi ni thailo. Hyperinflation, reflation, and disinflation. Hemi hi ka daughter ka disinflation long reflation hi anizo kang because many types of tiang stagflation or reflation hi adikang easily noticed smell of LPG gas ngatinge ya ka videos lui nen a trend means ka compare chua ka LPG a mercaptan om china and mercaptan common name ethanediol pondite ethanediol pondite means kantite. So this is actually correct answer. Propane le butane chu a component composition anitrina but kami a smell kha mercaptan wang means option D wang. Okay, typhoid fever is salva hemi hi salmo enge kha eng typhi a bacteria ming enge kha salmonella typhi. Yes, ka previous videos apo tiang theli chu ka upload toa and hepatitis C is correct vaccine siam low. Which one of the following is a carbohydrate? Carbohydrate means all the chemical, all the organic, all the compounds a compound shim which has CnH2NO4 ON formatanum chain. Urea te choose NH2CO NH2 nia penicillin hi nivelo compound ni de dora hemi glucose hi ni thai. Okay, glucose hi carbohydrate aniton. Glucose is correct answer. Okay, glucose monosaccharide and nitrina. Which now question number 39. Akasai chan berchu tiang glucose, fructose, maltose, sucrose, galactose. In all these sugars, C, H, le O, these three elements can mangchin and carbohydrate are all these three elements omngenge. Okay, which of the following gets activated upon illumination and generates an electrical signal? Hemi poi previous slides oma. Blood pressure is measured by sphygmomanometer is correct. Radioactive materials should be kept in a container made of always lead. Okay, AI stands for AI. I think 0% in answer diklaunga kasi humzia chu 100% in answer ang. Now people born between 1997 and 2012 are popularly called. Mi voi khat ma katidik thei lo lawang. Oh, katidik thei lo lawang because 1965 hi kaiman ka remember top to. Now 1965 akum som panga add chinto 1980. This is called Gen X anitrina and 1981 a som panga belela 1996 heng hawi y anya and 1997 a som pangahan belle chinto I nilaw 2012 anni ang and this duration popularly called Gen Z. What was the name of the place from which the Mizo believe they originated? Chinlung. Oh, Chinlung. Chinlung. Chinlung is correct. In which century did the Mizo ancestors migrate to the Chin Hills? Yes, 14th century. First Mizo group to migrate to India was known as Hemi Chins nge lushayin lo group upon lo da to hemi question mi lo shilte wa nge answer ni don cookies nge chins nge new cookie lushai ki chuni don lo kachiang duk remru at JR Ivan Rees fu theve cookies mo. Okay, thank you for your confirmation. The Mizo people are linguistically classified hemi pohi Tibeto-Burman. Previous year question ani Tibeto-Burman. The term Mizo officially replaced 1952 nge Masing option na 1954. This question is also, I think, previous year. Okay, 1954. So 1950 cookies. Kati. Yes, cookies. Option am silo 1954. So hem hi bonus in dong in vine in complain ngal donyo. Ngal nilavin in complain ngenge donyo. Which festival is Metzle reasoning apo complain to rom chuan kalau shilang chow. Riki aki kabial pani. Avan hun loud. Which festival is celebrated in Mizoram after the clearing of forest? Chapchar good. During which month is Pol Kut? Pol Kut. Harvest festival. Tihian Mizoram ka online calendar kanne means calendar 2 to 3 hai room kanne ya pathum pali vel kanne chinmo so main whole room atian tharau bozong tu the TBZ calendar noya January ya inzia January tla hem ithlia inzia chino kasha chiang velam hemi berkhari jo chumi wangchon. I think C is the correct answer according to my concept. Tharau bozong tu the calendar en ila. Okay. Davidan August le September atidai and Okean December and January atya enge digzog milo shilto enge digzog January or December hi diglo mi ka calendar leikha ava bu itla ke milo law confirm lokto I December le January hi diglo mi nia dikalam si turalam not le Maths consult adanya in ready m maseng maths solve mine ka request du chewa in thilti turchu gatinge ya in van la like claim what does it mean? Okay, 254 you can netro ठीक है. Now give me question ki a fifth root antia fifth root of hemi 5 inti velenga tian 5 inti velenga 5 inti pon ka sol thawila and fifth root ang pon sol thawila fifth root ka tina chan berchumo tihian root bula 5 in tihian anzia ka otherwise tihian anzia ka. So actually that is fifth root, not 5 into minus 5 into 1 by 5. Now fifth root of hemi 25 hi anwaya datlade ila 25 square ani tonya and 5. Now 25 square hi engtin nge kan ziate 5 square whole square means 5 raised to the power 4 ani chon hemi thili tan kan dade yang 5 raised to the power 4 and 5 raised to the power 4 into 5 certain indices are in shell tukanga 5 raised to the power 5 anichen. Now hemi fifth root hitro fifth root le raised to the power 5 in cancelanga in answer alo chu aturchu 1 by 5 achuaka. Okay? What is the number nilo? What is the remainder obtained when any prime number greater than 6 is divided by 6? Acha paruk item prime number pakhat kay man kantlangang paruk item 11 kantlangang regular batch ajon ka explain ve ka tiang tili but YouTube akala da lawin kashya remainder theorem. Now 16 han divide don ta ila 11 hi panga remainder kan nei nge don. Okay, chuti am bok chon pakhat kala lenga 7 po prime number thawalom 16 han divide ila 1 in muang chumi wangchon 5 and 1 5 or 1 is correct answer. Okay, and exam dang apo apui angchau all these questions away. Square root of kimi regular bechami vegani hi 8 and 2 root 15. Now concept says that hemi number shimshim hi a plus b whole square form akan siya mangai achan chula ya hi plus and hemi number pani kan tlanangai china eka explain lo mai don mi enge indu m kan solve ngal pop up me ngo masen nakuma in mamole nga solve ngal pop up chan ठीक है kan shilang chau number pani kan thlanga 3 le 5 kan tlangang. Now multiply nuwa som pangani tur and bel nuwa pariat ni nge tur. So aniton renga kimi pariat ai kyan root 5 square kazia kanga and pathu means ka splitta root 3 square kaziak thai achan ju kai mathu root 5 le root 3. This is a square, this is b square, this is a 2a into b. Eng identity nge a plus b whole square identity niya. A eng zat kimi hemi whole thing hi eng tin nge kan zia thai root of root 5 square plus root 3 square. Hemi square root le hemi square in cancel nga. Your final answer will be hey root 5 plus root 3. Okay. Option A is correct answer. Masinga explanation kaziachun am okay erase lo chuan digvenol explain la explain. Oh okay, explain intia can explain zelang. Yeah, because exam dang atan nakina in revise le huna e hemi khoya changin nge lo oma min lo message le anga aseng min message la acha ka ti te zoka lo andru hela ma hian kan base nge 6. That's why hela ma po hian kan base 6 angin kan siamang lawan chinto hemi 3 raised to the power 4 hi 3 cube into 3 ka ziak thei te reng me ma seng. Now this one unraised to the power ki aninang tero unraised to the power anin ang chuan base kan multiply the 3 2s are 6 so 6 cube chu kan nei to phote and hemi 3 yan hemi cancel ila 5 time and 5 in hemi he cancel ila 2 1 6 ani don and nang mani in initial to kanga 216 hi engeni chain 6 cube ani chain chumi wang chun 6 cube ti hian kan zia kanga and now base aninang to tro 6 less 6 base is 6 and raised to the power hi kan bel to pang. Now base aninanga and raised to the power hi kan answer anidon. C is correct answer. Okay, C is correct answer. Tikha answer to plachon nidanga explain chale yeah, but apolo majority of you are saying explain turin 12 tha tu kha ilo chi chua to 12 tha tu Mizoram abo 12 tha tu anommi heta Kolkata 40 here Instagram alara 40 here 1/4 color kantla kange 1/4 of the sum of prime numbers greater than 4 but less than 16 acha is square of n. I more than 4 antiatro more than 4 antia 5 ponit tan kan zia ka kango panga pasari som pakhat le som pathum belila som ni som thum paruk so bel nuwa som thum paruk kan nei tan kan zia kang som thum paruk. Now 4 in can cancel 10 9. If x square value is 9 then x will be 3 anidon. Option D himo adikton chiang sa chiang lutuk. Question number 41 here. Square root of 7 plus 3 root 5 and 7 minus 3 root 5. Hemi a angin ngayula hemi b hemi a angin hemi hi b. So we are having a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Identity kan manangay don tahian. Now a engzat 7 so 7 square minus b engzat 3 root 5 so 3 root 5 square. 7 square 49 and a chain, 3 square 9 and a chain, root 5 square 5 and a chain, 9 5s are 45. 49 a train 45 pay is 2 anidon. Maseng kan quotient ki makka tirengani ki square root antitelalo. Square root antitela wangin hemi square root of 4 will be option 2 is correct answer. Option 2 ganti. Option D is correct. Now question number 42. Average price of TV laptop is average price of fridge TV le laptop article pathum average sing ni ni chuan ansam engzat nge ni wa kanga sing loko sing Matingele. I mean, tlag ngai anibhimo change ngai 60,000 tinania. And conclusion hi cheapest item hi eng per hinge this one means fridge atlom bera chumi wangchon fridge part chunga and a nuayan vine 15 in cancel 4 3 is a 12 so 12,000 is correct answer. And the mighty YouTube short sar 39 ka 6 ka multiply le angai lo ami khoya mighty 39 no 6 in can multiply ngai to lo ajan ju only raised to the power ka kan enangai trin base aninang chen wa. Question number 43. Average weight of 4 girls is increased by 2 kg throw when one of the girl whose weight sum equal to some angka e average kan nelo 4x chuanin replaced by a new girl. New girl aluta 50 kg ki achua ka. Now pakata chua ka pakata luta total will be same masengan average ki increased by 2 antia. So 4x plus y minus 50 equal to 4x plus 4 to is 8. Now hey, minus 50 hi elama right hand side kanda nga exact nga ni don 58 ani don and 4x le 4x cancel dela 58. Oh ma'am, option A is correct answer. Okay, option A, yes. Now question number 44. 10 books each of Cheng Zathum are sold at Sang Nizanga. What is the percent of discount? Discount nimo. And each one Sang Thumman anya Sang Nizanga in Azuara Ashala. What is the discount Cheng Zanga on Kimi Sang Thumakian? So bial pani cancelila 0 le 0 cancelila and 50 divided by 3 16s are and 2 bang don. Option C is correct answer. Successive discount of 20 le 10 successive discount polo chua kani hi so 20 plus 10 and zani by 100 0 0 0 0 30 atrangin pani pay 28%. Okay, option A is correct answer. Next, by how much is 60% of 90? Okay, by how much is 60% of 90 greater than 4 by 5 of 20? Omzia jo hemi hitam zo ka and hemi hitlem zo maseng engzatin nge tam en chinto heta person oma bial pani oma 9 6 54 minus heta 5 oma 4 in cancel som paruk. So 38 is correct answer. Anwai mile here. What percent of 2 by 7 is 1 by 35? And each one hemi 5 in cancel 5 in 100 hit 20 and hemi 2 here and hemi 20 hit 10. It means 10 is correct answer. Okay. Sar successive discount akhan kalau chuak che ngadi successive discount ber kher acha chalo theek hai 48 nahi ho cost price le selling price and given profit find out angai definitely profit ani dona and difference engzat pathum cost price engzat somni into 100 so le tanga will be som panga adik 48 b nahi dika masing loko zana kalau live lo ni mani khan 540 plus kan englawa but today only 200 and 49 here. A person purchases several articles at the rate so alaya cost price of one article will be cheng somni by 15 and sell them at the rate of 10 for rupees 15 omziachu selling price of one will be 15 by 10 engelian zok tahian 4 by 5 nge 3 by 2 hi atam zok trin there are 15 and 8 yes 3 by 2 tama so obviously profit anidon so sp minus cp by cp into 100 cross multiply la som panga minus kimi 8 ki 7 achuak dona. Okay. And 4 by 5 ninang tan 4 by 3 tur. Soril tuk. Tan dika 4 by 3 tur. And 9 atrangin pariat pay pakatabang donyo. And heta hian 6 abang. 4 by 3 kan solvang helamahian 9 minus 8 by 6 by 4 by 3 into 100%. So 9 train pariat pe pakatanya 3 in hemi 62 time in a cancel theidona zahi 18 divide la 12.5% achuakang. So option A is correct answer. Okay, option A will be correct answer. Chimizwa solve leila. Question number 50 here. A ratio of boy and girl present age and given are 9:10. Acha. After 4 years antia kumli belveve ila their age become 11 and 12. Ani chuanin tahian cross multiply in hemi question here solve theidona. Zale pariat plus 48. Helama zale som x plus 44. Number bula x bula. So helama hian only palia bang dona and zale pariat x kaziaklo 2x. X will become 2. And conclusion hi girl's present age draw. A girl's present age will be 10x. So 10 into 2. C 20 is correct answer of this question. 20 years. Avahan har ngat vele har over ami nun hm kha inilo mo in nai nang do HOM kanit phanang ari just celebrity lo milar kangai saldu. The first and second look kan chia chaleng question ka bok ka skip lo tro question ka skip chan milo shila. Question number 51 here. The first, second and fourth term of proportion are 96, 8, 12 respectively. Then the third term, first term 96 and ya, second term 8 and ya, third term kanshalawa, fourth term 12 and given 8 12s are anything and 12 12s are zasom lipali. A can do a job in 15 days. Okay, LCM in can solvang. In how many days A and B together complete the job if B is twice as fast as A. B is twice antiatro. B hilet ni anichan mo. Ahun lag zat poka ahav de donasin. So nisari le achan ve tinani chu. A le B kan nei toan panintro thok tur khaenge A le B together. AB by A plus B kan mang thailom ta hian. AB by A plus B kan mangte. So 22.5. Decimal hi kan dason de yang. Decimal ka dason nga. Decimal dason was 75 3s are anitrain. 225 and 3 5s are anitrain. That's why 5 days correct. Oh, when you kalak launi here pen poemo. A alone can do a piece of work in 6 days. Time and work panilo. B alone in 8 days. Helai Hawaiian sarka. Kashechuak na salutuk. Okay, ठीक है. Land ro. Asen in kan siak deang. Hemi white portion ahian asen afia. Kimi silver or grey portion yellow atrapera. Chimi wangjan tlak rengai. LCM in kan solvang. A in nirukunala B in amate niriat with the help of C nituman zote. So A plus B plus C nituman zote ya. What is the LCM 24? 4, 3, 8. Maseng A le B kan nei nyo. C hi kan nei vem. C kan nei lo. Kan nei lo chuan hemi total atrangin A le B pay de ila 8 atrangin pasari pay. 1 is the efficiency of C. Kan question is C alone amate in thokta se total work by ama efficiency, which is 24 days. Neso lampang pon lo ni tin ka sol trina ti hian. That's why ani he nan rutuna. Babuai tlak. 54. A and B A and B travel the same distance antia at a speed of 15 kilometer per hour, like 20 kilometer per hour. If A take 40 minutes more, 40 minutes more throw, hun ala tamzo kanichu. Tihian. Atamzok minus tlemzok exact mo hun lak tama 40 minutes. Maseng kan option sa ki kilometer aw ma wangin mi poi awara kan convert ang hayang tengil lautur. Distance traveled by antia, so distance antia find out turge. Distance by speed 15 minus distance by second speed is equals to 40 by 60. 20 in cancel ila 2 by 3 and cross multiply ila 5x by zathum and helama 2 by 3. 3 in cancel ila za 5 in cancel ila 20 and 22 are 40 kilometer. Option A is correct answer. Okay. Option A hi adik. Now question number next. Next question says that a man traveled a distance 61 kilometer chupodar kar kua hunala. He traveled partly on foot at 4 kilometer per hour and partly on bicycle at 9 kilometer per hour. Incho ay ahuntoni mo. Okay. Oh hi kabenga chamtlat male exam hola. Okay. Bika videos yan nasani mo channel chatakani kamel shiyat jo poi le me apelo I ishatoa and questions ilo solves it atonya video playing mo. Chalo. A man traveled 61 a wide distance and given a 61 kilometer chupo hun darkar kwa ala. He traveled partly on foot. Anijon foot he x can assume the young rail tetan. Okay, partly on bicycle. So distance traveled on bicycle. Bicycle zok find out tangaya poilo bicycle he x can assume. Now bicycle x ka assume chuan foot ka exact ngeni ton total time minus x tihian. Now equation can see among 61 kilometer antia, so d1 plus d2 equal to total distance 61. Now foot in akal khan distance exact nge cover don distance equals to time into eng speed. Speed is 4, time on foot is 9 minus x, speed on cycle is 9 and kimi time taken is x 61. 36 4x 9x 61. 36 hela mavadaila and 9x train in 4x pay 5x 61 train 36 payla to 5 2 achuakang cancel mo x will become 5. x5 achua katro, so distance traveled on bicycle antia chumi function hemi x hi 9 nen means bicycle speed nen in multiplying 45 is correct answer. Iman lu tu gram ruat sarzana klau en mai kalau en me angai cho ei potang yes cho ei tui ei potla 52 c anilo mi sir b kha 30 ni in kashia 7.5 itia khoi mo kal kan en le chenang 52 30 52 kan enang khoi mo 52 a hian a in ni som pangahun ala a and B in B twice as fast as A antia. Twice as fast as A anichuan aman a efficiency chalutuk tina nichu a active luduk. So hun alakzat will be half of time taken by A. So 7.5 adikalam. Adik 52 himo 5 days. Tur. Now 56 can solve. How much time will it take for an amount of amounts to anilaw amount of amount of each one kimiki engeni don to yield amount of principal 600 and simple interest question yeah, so zale pariyate simple interest and rate and given a 9%. Time find out tangai. So simple interest is equals to principal into rate into time by 100. 0 0 0 0 9 in 12 time 6 in 2 time. So time will be 2 years. Okay. Next question. Next question is, a sum of money on compound interest amounts to. Kaya. So, pero ang lawin kan solve mang basic kamang ri lawanga chan chu 3 don lu ka 19360 and 3 minus 2 ang zat 1. So 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power 1. Tihian kan zia kang. Because 3 minus 2 1 and 0 le 0 cancel ila. Ingin 3 na thayam 11 thay don lawa noi mi 18 thay don lawa 4 in thaya chalo ठीक है 8 pon a thay don tau 11 yes 11 kan mangzo kang 11 2s are 22 6 are 66 4 bang dona and anwaya 1 83 so 7 bang dona 6 maseng again 11 in a thay male mi 11 in a thaya 24 and hemi som paruk 18 ala thay 8 3s are le 2 equal to 1 plus r by 100. Hemi wani hela mahanda chinto 3 by 2 minus 1 equal to r by 100. So 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 and r by 100. 100 ki tada chaula 50. A rate will be 50. Option A is correct answer. Yes. 52 ka kay port twice t wangin 2 in kalaw multiply. I 2 in multiply 2 rin lawa. Efficiency chazo kolom B. A time lag za turchu chan veniton. Half aniton. Question ka skip law. Base area of room is hey antinan hemi room pakat nita se hemi base area hi 16 meter square and given. And a height pon given a engzat nge. Height is how much? 3 meter. Acha. Now can question hi volume nge ni chin. Volume floor area le a height. So floor area 16 into 3 48. Option B is correct answer of this question. Okay, option B. Next question solve Leila 59 nahi. Solid brass sphere of radius 2.1 decimeter decimeter ang par decimeter an law given ani hi. Radius himo 2.1 decimeter ani jan centimeter akan convert lo kang decimal da sonila and deci means what 10 minus 1 and minus 1 waya chukanga 10 raised to the power 2 and hemi thilikhita chaunga 10 raised to the power minus 2 and 10 raised to the power minus 2 centi ani train omzia chu radius will be 21 centimeter kan nahi to into a right circular cylinder rod length 7 centimeter. Okay, the ratio of total surface area total surface area of cylinder tahian kazia kanga 2 pi r plus h anitrain ratio antia chumi function sphere total surface area 4 pi r square anitrain maseng thil pakato radius of cylinder ungiven low awangin solid brush shim alandan or a figure emo shape danga thlak don taila a volume voi khat ma danglam ngailo chumi function volume of hemi rod equal to volume of sphere. So volume of rod nge pi r square and height hemi length and given as 7 4 by 3 pi and radius of kimi brass sphere ki 21 ania. So 21 into 21 into 21 tihian kan ziang aya pi le pi cancel ila 7 in hemi 3 time 3 le 3 cancel. So r square equal to 4 into 21 into 21 square dason turin 4 square root is 2 and 21 square root is 21. Omzia chumo hemi cylinder radius will be 42 kan nei tolo hemi beri ne find out tur. So 42 tahan daila kan answer chuak thai to don yai law anteu I 2 in hemi 4 hi 2 time in cancel anga pi le pi ka cancel denga and radius 42 height ki ang zat mo 7 by 2 into sphere radius is 21 given hemi cancel de ila masing square anti pailaw and 7 in hemi cancel the ila 3 time. Okay, so 1 by 3 achuak or 1 by 3 achuak oh mem nge cancel khoyamani diklo ommi kan cancel chale chinang 2 in hemi cancel pi le pi ka cancel a r hi kamal ka datel leine hemi r hi engzat nge a radius of kimi cylinder is 42 and radius plus height means 42 plus 7 li this is my incorrect now anvaya 2 into radius of sphere square so 21 into 21 hemi in solvang answer chuaka solve chinila 21 2s are and 2 le 2 cancel ila 49 by 21 7 in cancel ila 7 by 3 7 by 3 mem option D hi correct answer nothing tira khan 1 by 3 kati achan ju kimi radius ki kalau datal lawa ato pahan kalau mulai hetan allah yami radius mo so if your answer is 7:3 Jmar the king is back haramaya ay har lo mo dikta sa chuan lengthy ani he ansiam lengthy mai ni he now question number 60 kan thleng to cone has a curved surface area and the hemi cone ania and its curved surface area ungiven curved surface area on the pi r l ungiven so 22 by 7 r radius ungiven yes key ungiven diameter za somruk pariyatan each one a radius will be half and pi r l slant height l is this one slant height is equal to 5544 massing slant height kan nahi silo total surface area let's see total surface area of cone again itchin pi r l plus r anitchin pi kan shia r kan shia hemi l hi tatrang hian kan solve how let's see l equal to 5544 into 7 by 22 into 84 okay now cancel thai don m tahian and cancel don taila 7 in 12 time anya okay 11 in 500 and how much 504 11 in 2 2 in 252 and 252 anya 12 in cancel leila 21 le slant height po kan nei to 21 centimeter hemi slant height ta han kan da emi wanghian ya videos danga amo live class formula thiam nge ngai ni ka trina caution a harlo dikta sajan but formula man tamangai don pi radius is 84 and radius plus slant height 21 plus 84 solve ulain answer chuak mayang hey 22 into 12 into 8 zale panga adikam yes zale panga hemi in solve 2 2s are 4 draw and 4 5s are atopa 0 masing 0 om vek phota chalo koi baat nahi ani chuan tihian zia kila dule pelo 84 ania tro 84 ania 15 ठीक है 22 44 22 264 ही zale panga in kan multiply anga how much 264 100 26400 chukan nei ngala and 2640 half 1320 1320 so 27720 option A is correct answer 27720 hi dik okay lan siam lendi ni tuncho last year ang khani velawa ademo 1 by 3 kha ka chok chua ka diklo in kashia eng 1 by 3 I 1 by 3 ni lawang ai aletling in kaziak poil tuk zathum cross in as a thum cross in paper 1 and 2 JO katling chuan ka tri tang che me sinang ma wang leo Okay. Mo le YY le zote bakery cake kadudonyo mes agent MES agent. Sir, a curved surface atang kan a circle area bel topin kachoka olasin. Yes, englo chu west tamdo oma apoilo. Sir bel on narratos ya live native kadong vet hilo rere. Ani chon han off lamo vaikat I on chale don ya vaikat. Now this one. When sun's altitude changes from 30 30 to 60 length of shade of tower. Okay, tower ni thingkung amo katia thingkung nge tower ka zong amo thingkung lem ka siam chal tuka. So hemi tower hitro just because of the look hemi sun omna hi a position anin a change hian obviously angle of elevation podang lamdon hemi angle voi khatma atlem thailo. That's why obviously 16 idona hemi angle hi hey a slope atlem bi kai hemi slope hitlema but hemi slope hi tamzo. Now one question is should have decreased by 30 om zechu atirai helai thleng hi oma x maseng khami englo wang khan a position change wang in 30 meter in a decrease they don kan question hi height find out tangai height find out turin base kan nei lo nyo base kan nei lo chon kan zonga voi khat 10 theta heta kan manga voi khat 10 theta ta kan mang so 10 60 ang zat nge ni don perpendicular by x 1060 is 1 by root 3 h by x. Okay, equation pahat kan nei to means hemizwa this one 10 theta ka mang don yo 10 1060 sorry lu tu tahian root 3 to lom I mean ya man modawa sol chun incorrection hi kaneng lo vetrina sin 30 is equals to h by hemi pumpui here 30 plus x. Okay, now sin 1030 ang zat 1 by root 3 and h by 30 plus x can find out turber hi h ania so h ain re lo te atan root 3x daila apoidon mi alawa and cross multiply 30 plus x equal to root 3 into h is root 3x root 3 into root 3 mo 3 aniton and hemi x helama vadaula 30 equal to 3x minus x omziachu 2x 2 in cancel lamo som panga kan nei don but hemi som panga yang sham this is the base hemi base he height find out turin he tahanin danga ya so h equal to root 3 into x 15 so 15 root 3 option C is correct answer. Okay, option C hi in answer chuan adikton. Okay, man cross con khachu a base areas on top and curve area bel top yes a thei thau kha mi we po khana thei thawa maseng ke man basic in ka solve to chumi wang chuna pailo 283 ka muwa min cut off lo chumo okay kumdang ain olam ol e malom ji ke dekha mesri 9 har ठीक है आणि can solve can continue lang. Question number 62 here from the top of 195 meter high cliff. Okay, hemi hi 195 meter ania angle of depression of the top and the bottom are 30 respectively. Omziachu top of what tower antinimo hemi tower pahat kan sia mga achunga trangin kan entla a tihian. Okay, so definitely this angle will be how much? This angle will be 30 because a slope atlema hemi angle is 60 degree aninge turani. Okay, because slope is very bigger. Now voi ka 10 theta heta kan manga voi ka 10 theta heta kan manangai le don tapo yan ani jun space of omlo vel ko and clear mayang this is a cliff 195 and this is a tower. Okay, tihian kan entla, tihian kan entla. Kan entla kan tihian, this angle is always equal to this angle, and this angle will be always equal to this angle. Angle of depression ani hi. Now, if this is 30, this will also be 30. If this is 60, this will also be 60. Base relaute tan x ke assume don. Hemi pum pui hi 195 ania. If this is h, okay, or apelaw hemi hi capital H tiyan ka dinotang hemi small h tiyan ka dinoton. Small h can find out chun mo. Hemi hi olsam do in can find out thayang. Total atrang in 195 kan payanga kan answer lau chua kang. Okay, or 195 atrang in hemi zoki kan payanga answer lau chua kang. Kan solve ang lawan ru. I triangle chungami 10 30 degree is equals to h by x. Chuti ambok chun hemi 10 60 degree will be za som kuale panga by x. Very well. 1030 is 1 by root 3 h by x, and 1060 is root 3 195 by x. Okay. Now tatangyan value of x find out tila x equal to 195 by root 3, and 195 yung tinga kan ziyatai 3 into 65 by root 3. Now hemi root 3 and 3 can cancel thaya root 3 time. Okay, pahila basic in ni mai 3i nenge ka ziyatai root 3 into root 3. Root 3 le root 3 cancel la, at least base kan nei tolom hai 65 root 3. Now hemi base hi hemi equation an kan da de yang da chinila x kita x by root 3 equal to h, and x can find out so chia 65 root 3. So root 3 le root 3 cancelled, value of h kan nei to hey hemi value hi 65 kan nei to. Now vai khachi han ngai to ila a whole is 195, and height of tower antia hai hemi height chau hilom kan mamo only this one. So kimi 65 ki kan pay de yang kan pay chuan za som thum achua kang. Okay, za som thum achua kang. Option A is correct answer. Sir iset ani chiang duk ahar khop mai ikaset keima set intivezi ang tinge pa sha thiam lawa. Sir co cho a hun nia zain class donam kala soi theimi alo mi zau padila e repeat fair becha po eng wa ke inform lawa. Oh no poi ve ठीक है kina apology keng lo me and do chemi question here. The line graph shows the total number of students in three different school A, B, C, and yeah, C he dotted line, B lemon dash, and A straight line. Our question is, among the following pair of year, find out which year the total number of students in all three schools was equal. Loko vai kat kan cheer chalyang. In all the three schools was equal and teatro equal and each one belila 2020 ang zat nge som thum le som nga som thum nga will be how much zale som. Okay, 2020 ya zale som, 2021 somli som thum means za, 2022 somruk somnga le somli is za somngania, and 2023 somruk le somthum za somni anidona, and 2024 hian somriat somnga za somthum somni za somnga. And the conclusion he was equal tro and tikange equal don a za somnga ni mailom 2022 le 2024. Option C is very much correct answer. Kumdang ein nya GK chu easy and maths po easy thawa reasoning ka enchak loko e 64 na The bar graph shows that the number of boys and girls in a class during the year 2020 to 24. Ratio of average number of girl to average find out ang avan haule si tian anlo da wangin tlemin kangai tua ingen yang le average an teatro number of girls ki varin ani 30 plus 60 plus 50 plus 70 plus 80 engza tinge ani don it will become 30 60 90 140 210 290 there are 290 and 30 60 90 140 210 or 280 and boys are 25 and 40 so 65 look 2021 are yaar 2021 2021 to 2024 so 40 plus 60 plus 50 plus 70 40 plus 60 plus 50 plus 70 zani somni dona this is boy and girls 60 50 za som riyat and 260 so 260 by 220 will be 13 is to 11 option B yes question soril tuk aitle min kahman mo vedewa class daria ta trengin theiturin. Okay, now 65 here. The following pie chart shows the masengkaman modon lawa tidi closion nang mani in min and lawang. Pie chart shows that the percentage distribution of expenditure incurred in constructing a building and thro. What is the central angle? A central angle thro. And bilile zaniam sompa somni zani chiang du and 1 degree is equal to always 1% is equals to 3.6 concussion hi cement antia so cement 20 han multiply top chintau 0072 sar video hi khoi mo average turalom 64 kha khoi nia average chu ani chiang du kamo maseng han ngei to chin la average nge find out the true na atopa chuna in cancel le tholom hemi for hi ishetiam tro so average will be same danglam don lo ratio average danglam ngai lo le reasoning can start to don aeroplane cockpit in shianga cockpit ani chuan hemi train Anglo dewa means first bogie engine and train chuta chuan alloko pilot stanom train okay engine is correct hemi hi engya meningitis brain okay hemi hi cirrhosis always liver previous classes poke man hemi tili chuka Anglo vector affection today is Monday after 61 days and John 61 is 7 in hand divided 56 panga odd days tro Monday ninga add to ninga Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday so Saturday he correct answer anidon and more question 65 key and then was 65 key 3.6 math adik yes cha now next question what was the day on 26th January 26th January Thursday top alom 26th January himo I think yes achanchu pani kai man ka remember tihian ka remember top 26th January 1950 Republic Day and 15th August 1947 this day was Republic Day was Thursday at that time and Independence Day just one day after so Friday hemite pani chu dule by heart chi Thursday in answer ani chuan adik don okay masenga poilo I achanin englawin she chak lenga proof thei se o lewen ro 26 imo 7 in dividang remainder engzat pangalo chuakang January ki code pakashia tangaya keima bial no phone number ni 6 and 146. Now January atan 1 code kan mangchen. So tahan 1 kan zia kriyang. And 50 year to ber last 2 digit 50 ki 7 in kan divide. What is the remainder? 7 7s are 14 and 1 remainder. And kimi last 2 digit bokki 4 in kan divide in a quotient. Exact. As 4 12s are 48. Chimi function a quotient 12 tahan kanda. Okay. 2 9 belang. Som panile pakat le pa som pali. Som pakua kan neya. And hemi som pakua himo. 7 in divide don ya. In divide nga 7 2s are 14. Panga remainder. And panga remainder tiro I code pakhatshia tangai don tahian. And what is that code? Sunday 1 and chain. Monday 2 and chain. Tuesday 3 and chain. Wednesday 4 and chain. And Thursday Friday 5 and chain. Thursday will be correct answer hai. Shiat ngal tur. Voina train in by heart tab donya. Independence Day and teach one 1947 Friday and the Republic Day 1950 Thursday. 1 day gap. Shiat polar Fridays okati. Ale. Now next question. Question number 70. Question number 70 agantleng tola. Avachave. Kuwikat kan dasan. Oh. Below. In an election between two candidates, one got 55% of total valid vote and 20% of votes were invalid. Antia. If total number of votes sang sari zani ani ah. So, the number of valid vote that the other candidate got. Other candidate got antia ni finding that mo 7,500. Masing hemi hichu an total vote alone. 20% were invalid antia. Masing valid will be still 100 the 20 pay 80. And 0 le 0 0 le 0 75 into 80 exact 0 4 sang rukhi valid vote anidon. This is total valid vote sang ruk. Masing conclusion he other candidate got and the first candidate in 55% amuchuan. Obviously other person in 100 minus 55 that is 45% adongang. Chumi wangchuan 45% of kimi sang rukhi. Okay, 0 le 0 0 le 0. So 645s are 2 and 24 2 ni nang 3. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27. Sang nizasari. Okay, so sang nizasari is correct answer of this question. Kay mo in comment po ang chiarang sar kata chuak ngating 68 kasat Sunday turan ilaumi. 61 day na ka after no. Actually the concept says odd number method in console chuan hemi hetahian include vec engkim hi can include vec tahian after 61 days kan teatro so hemi Saturday will be after 61 days na chuni don nothing itra achua kai same type question achuak na sakhop mai anglo mi bechami A and B invested 3:2 nia 5% of total profit goes to charity. A in zariatle somnga panga ash means A share tihian kanzia kang part of A is 3 and unpanye bell 5 and tahian total 5% ka charity an pedailo abang engzat 95% of total. And what is the share of A? 855. 5 in cancelela som pakua anidona 19 478 5 45 zaranidon and 3 in cancelela hemi som panga time 100 kimi som panga nen can multiply la sang khat zanga chuakem option C is correct answer. Timo Jeremy apolo lut Jeremy ti travan saite Jeremy Lauluta sar analyze zawa enge quotient pattern ingai dan le tha nge thalo isei zau lock thingem chuan cut off te enge irindan okay kalau try yang muna nge please engmo education habi kalro I suggest I suggest ni tuna ri chuan online chiania only online and hemi batch po hi 60% well you can cover to next batch July mid or August atrangin can start ang new batch fresh batch everything from ground level okay dik zelma theek hai now question number 72 here a bag contain 50 paise 25 paise 10 paise in the ratio upon given hey amounting zat zanile chengruk khai same type of question male hemi question hi tuna indu chuan kamu ngal thei chewa third batch hoin shal dukang achungami po khi exactly data po danglam lo and hemi po hi 3 and mi po hi masing calendar kan lo cover lawa calendar first question tiang hi ni thina but pelo 70 question number 70 question number 71 question number 72 continuously and hemi po hi an ming hi chu kashala ule ka ain ang lawang masing all the englo valley chu enang vek thil pahat ka muang chow ayan chinto ta hian thil pakhat ka mu chow nga hey an chinto I video pakhat atangin gk a question pathuma chuaka chichulo en lokula kan continue lengal donia hey a title chirnamo mizo most repeated static gk question part 2 important for amigas yaktoa now tuna question number 168 in mu how many schedule voina achuakin kashia chumizowa same video ami question ki 170 kin mule article 368 nachina han console achuak tero and same video question number 188 poki antau ki kema video mi gk ju ka subject ani lo but action chu lo chuak vetrin thawani who wrote the national song of India tiang te hi in movie anga okay now next question manzana can say yes near ASI Jeremy you know leh kan continue le halang hepatite englo te pokha kas previous video mi chuak namlu tuka I abik takin gk okay leh kan continue cheng sum nga paise 25 paise 10 paise ratio eng 5:9:4 keman unitary method in ka solve on achin ju space atlema somnga let 5 zani somnga som ni panga let kwa 250 minus 25 225 and somlet somli is equal to cheng zani le paruk paise aka convert ngala belila 475 and 525 unit is equals to 206 into 100 hemi noya datla deila a 1 unit value find out 5 in cancel mo 10 sorry 25 22 47 t 5 4 5 6 oh heta hian 3 5152 ralo 5152 so 5 in cancel 20 5 in cancel zale pathum le 2 cancel 1 unit value is somli anidon and conclusion ki every type antia 40 is pangan and multiply la zani 49 and multiply la zathum somruk 40 palin and multiply la za somruk option C nahi ni hai option C okay option C now next question salary of Remy Leso mi are in the ratio 2:3 if the salary of each is increased by Sangli new ratio 40/57 ani chuan mo 40 by so mi salary antia 2x by 3x and sangli belveve ila belveve nuwa and ratio become 40 by 57. Cross multiply za sompali x and 57 4 za sompali 2 are 228 0 0 0. Juti ambok chon hela mapo hian 43 za somni x and sangli let somli is 164 times 0. X buladai la number bula 0 0 0 8 and 6 and hela ma 6x kanneya. So 6x value kanneya hetizathi kan quotient kienge somi salary 3x. If 6x value is then 3x a half meila poile ne mai 6x half is 3x ania, so 68,000 half is 34,000. Option amlo lo ko khoya mani diklo ommi kan enchinang 20 look so mi antia 3x 34, so 34 chukan nei to 34,000. Okay, what is so mi salary? Compensate te sar, compensate te se. Okay, kiki achak dik thela lako. What is so mi salary antia? So mi salary antia sangli ki belchi nilamo kimi increased salary ki sangli han belchi aila seeing thum sangri achu anithai. Option A himo anithai. Maseng ka ditakta keima thuhi oi ula keima thu means ka thu chu oi ngai khelo means hemithil himo in complain nge donyo. E option a seeing thum le sangli a omlo chuan 129.63% bonus in dong nge yang heta hian hemi quotient b ka hian achan chu quotient an what is so mi salary antiring otalo so mi salary ta chu kimi 3 unit khinia increased salary chunita se 38,000 ki answer anidon. Okay, so hemi quotient hi nakina in explain huna tihian in soidonia. What is so mi salary antiring ota salary of so mi ki chu ki 3 unit kilo. Maseng what is the increased salary of somi nita se sangli ki kan addang, then our answer can be 38,000. Maseng increased salary antilaw in complain ngenge don ya bonus, this is bonus. So GK apo bonus pani omatro I British le englo Mopla rebellion, they were against British government and Hindu. That's why. Okay, and 1954 poga. Insert the missing number. 7 let 26 move to pochuan exactly same questions. Hemi question here and chinto hemi question here hemi question himo repeated question ani same to same previous year ami. So 7 is actually 2 cube minus 1. 26 is actually anithayam 2 3 cube 3 cube minus 1 and 63 key 4 cube minus 1 tihana kal zeldon. So 4 5 6 7 8 cube minus 1 he can answer anidon 511. Sir 74 ka adiklawin kashya please. I remin adiklawangin ngaya but adik hemi himo adik missing numbers 8 cube minus 1 option D hi adik. Anway mi hi check leila 6 13 18 25 30 37 wrong number antini hi is 6 let ni plus 1 adik the don lo anting ani the don 6 le 13 gap ami kan non dan gap pasari heta gap panga heta gap pasari heta gap panga 7575 pangina kalani hi. Yes, 32 to renemo maseng 40 ani dai. Option D is correct answer. Okay. masing like is a thum chow mo 74 chu difference ang indifference a difference atang indifference ila answer chua thei chona poilo answer chua chona poi mi alo and anuai berami hi and thil tam ngei tu tampo ngai lo hei ta hen hmu mai square pakhat heta oma square pakhat thei heta oma square pakhat heta oma and square pakhat heta oma assemble vek nuwa option b ka ti hei hemi hi okay hemi hi so D is correct answer of this question sar khi aeng ber khimo chermi kipo prime number atangin akal adik alaudik launi okay pakhat ma ka tidik lau pakhat mai la tidik law okay kan la enzel don ya question zala ta mo mai za kan la thleng lo 37 le 14 kar 3 ani si ya 37 ki adik lo zog ani lo mi no 37 hi diklawa akati 37 hi adika because ngei twala 6 sa pasari kan add som pathuma panga 7 5 7 5 so ta hian alom gap hi anula gap 37 hi chudik 40 is correct answer okay now next question 76 ki D anilomi o D lom gati hey option D lom gati option D second figure reasoning chulu tinavek thei okay hemi question poi vahan ni chiang ta MPSC question lui ani now tahian cylinder kimi isosceles triangle kin muam hey kimi achung barmi triangle ki hemi isosceles triangle hi option kati figure B isosceles triangle omlo shim third figure oma masing isosceles anelo scale nani hi and heta right angle ani hi heta chau hian only if your answer is this one option D then your answer is correct 100% correct okay chalo next question kaya va fia lo veka 45% of 750 minus 25% of zali somriatantia ani chonmo 25 in hemi 100 4 time 4 in hemi zali somria thi za somni time ani dona 0 le 0 cancel ila 45 75 za 25 2 2 25 3 28 33 so 5 7 5 3 loko 357.5 minus za somni masing option alom lo khemo englo any incorrect kimi data ho kichu ka ziak diktron enchin lok to minus ania 7 afia lo duga ke ma screen a hian mo okay nya answer englo kichu adikang 5 in cancel la 2 5 in cancel 9 so 75 9 zareng zat ngeni don 5 4 63 67 by 2 and hemi hi divide don taila 337.5 adikaren asina tinge atrangin za somni peikhania so peila 0.5 pasari pakhat pani omreng ki b is correct yes b is correct sorry kalo mulawa 79 here a man spends 35% of his income on food. A man spent 35% on food. Okay. Income himo 100 assume top ila poi chuang lo because percentage question ni he. 35% ka chu food among 25% children education and 80% all of the remaining exat ngeni don in sham 35 le 25 ka chu already among to so cheng somru ka mang dei ton yo za atangin cheng somru ka manga somli abang masing 80% of hemisomli hi antia. So 32% on house rent. A omzia berchu emi hinia 35% fooda a invesa a senga spenta 25% children education and hemi 32% hi kimi house renta. Conclusion he percent of his income he is left with. So belila zatrain kan pay me donya 2 pathum pakua 100 the trangin 92 payula answer lau chuak mayang 8%. So option B is correct answer. Okay, option B is correct answer. Chalo ani next le avatam via questions and video trying to join like nge donya. Now question number 80. If each side of square is increased by 25, then find the percentage. 25 on each one more. Pen koilavin 50 plus 6.25. B hi answer ni thaya. And anwai mi po inang chia 20% successive 20 plus 4 44% hi ana solve thaya, because you should use this universal formula. Both are increasing. Side are getting increased. First side, second side, increase. That's why give me formula again mangte. Now question number 82 here. 82 here. X is 7 meter tall. Chalo. X is 7 meter tall. Y is half as high. Y achan ve. Tihianzia kila. Y is half as high. Antiringota. Is high is what? Y. Apoilo command dato chun hemi hi an soinaniang. Z is 3 times height of X. So Z height will be 3 times of kimi 7 ki 21 meter. Now this is first statement. Second statement hi an leila. P is taller than Z but shorter than A le B. Emi second sentence ani hai. Kan conclusion enila B is tallest of all. Na theire le nema soi thelo, because sentence statement akhian A le B chungchang engman soi lonyo. So B hi emi chula dik thelo. Average height of X, Y, le Z is less than 10 meter. Less than 10 omzia chu somthum I claim belila hanbel chinila 21 le 7 28. Maseng somthuma pel day. Somthuma pel day atro. So somthuma pel day juan less than any thelo. Both will be neither conclusion 1 nor 2. So option D himo adik don. Hemi hi adik don. Okay. Maza aa gaya. Inge maza aa gaya. Nu ami tel dugani mo. E exam acha. Ami acha chuan. It's very good. Now this one. The likes and professions of 5 friends. Rosie. Loko Rosie. Rose parim tui mintriala. Rosie. Rosie, Mary, Lily, Andy, Daisy are given. Consider following information and answer questions based on it. Kanchiar logo. Rosie likes yellow and is a student. Librarian likes green. Mary and Andy like purple, blue respectively, and neither of them is a teacher. Lily likes brown. Okay. Lily likes brown. Chuanin inspector. The inspector likes blue. One of the 5 is a principal, Antia. Which among the following is a wrong pair? Wrong pair. Find out to anymore. The Tranghian elimination method in kan mang kan en lokang first he eliminate them. Rosie likes yellow. Yellow, purple, yellow amlo option A. And Rosie is a student. Option A. Rosie is a teacher. Look, Rosie is a student antia, and Rosie is a teacher antidai. So 100% hemi answer ani donalo. Inshatiya ma'am. nia hai mangai sang upon soi alo answera means alo ziaka rozi kha achiang ngal lu tukani ki hian teu solve po diagram te po engma siam mangai to lo hemi question a hian siam luital po ngai lo because already ki first line ungiven rozi is a student antia and wrong pair and that's why option D will be correct answer. Okay, any doubt? And you doubt in need on low. Next question, this one. Mr. A, Miss B, Mr. C, Miss D sitting around a table. So around a table ania tihian kan siamang. And masing circular an pelau tro square pon pelau. Poicho square le anglo circle pek lo pon enge poi athai thawang. Because mi palianom ti chu achiang alom tihianan chunga or square ponima se tihianan chuang. Yes, apoilaw. Kava confuse walve 82 chu 82 enge 82 yes 83 none of the anglo neither of the statements conclusions. Yes. Now Mr. A sits opposite to cook. Now Mr. A he cook opposite kan chutirang tihian. Miss B sits right to the barber. And washerman is on the left of the tailor. Okay. Miss D sits opposite to C. Ani chon mo Miss D opposite to C achuchuan. Either this can be the arrangement or C lady this can. Chumi turchon cookie B aninge don tinani chu. Cookie mo B aninge don. Masing engzok hinge dik don seeing a D can check lokongo. The washerman is on the left of Taylor. Taylor gang. Wiz Khalifa la Taylor. Throw. Chuanin Miss B sits right to the barber. Ani loko hemi hi barber angin siam taila. Hemi hi barber angin siam taila. So Miss B is adik hemi dik and washerman is on the left of Taylor. Chumi hisab chon hepa hi Taylor anidon puan athuyanga and ama left hey hemi ama left anidona washerman. This will be washerman. I can question he what are the traits of A and B? A and B trade Taylor le cook hi ni melo. क्या है तो बोई वंग आये लोग नियो टेलर स्विफ्ट ले मिस बनी में बी की टेलर ले कुकम लोग मिया A option B is correct answer. Okay, kay po wrong ati hika mulaw wrong ti Rosie ki student and your teacher ni thailaw. Yes. Now next ifi kalau sahi pala nahi kha Miss Banile. Now this one, Sally has never received a violation from the Federal Aviation Administration during her 16-year flying career. Ania, Sally must be a great pilot. Look over katle. Tiahi ulugdo in Chirangai. Sally has Mase enge question berta hian. Which of the following can be said about the reasoning above? Argument work by analogy. Analogy kan manglaw shim. The argument is built upon hidden assumption. Nia sentence pakhatan law given topa assume turpom silaw. Loko. Definition of the term create ambiguity. Hemi kava confused. The argument is built upon hidden assumption. Hemi dikanga. The argument is built upon hidden assumption. Achanchu only sentence and given a argument work by hemi chu ani thai don lo shim analogy chu mo dik thai don lo thil kan relate lo shim alom. So see chu ni thai lo. Argument uses circular reason. Now I'm circular reason here. Definition of term create. Ambiguity. Circular reasoning. Hemihimo dule whole rila maseng the argument is built upon hidden assumption hi adikkati na chanchu sentence an given a assumption ka ingpo kan siam thei ke manin achanchu question an given lo that's why reilote tan whole rila amo d hi answer rila next kan englo le mai don yan next Tanya is older than Eric. Okay. Tanya is older than Eric. T is greater than E. And Cliff is older than Tanya. Eric is older than Cliff. If the first two statements are true, Tanya is older than Eric, Tihian Kanzia ka. Cliff is older than Tanya. Yes, Tihian Kanzia ka. These two statements he kan enanga kan chiaranga. Third one he adikem kan chekang. Eric techu Cliff ein anaupang de is okolo. Jimmy Wangjan false edik. Okay. Calendar thisen kai ti well. Oi. Calendar thisen M and N Paul kut thla khamoiti enge calendar murder well he lako M and N have children A le B. Okay. M le N in fa means their children A le B anni A. Okay. F is spouse of B. Anichon F le B nupa anni A. Ani naitoni hi. And D is the child of F. Okay. P is the son-in-law of N. Look, K is the kid of P. P is the son-in-law. Ani chuan mo hepa hi mi pa ni don. Ani chuan look son-in-law. Hemi meichi ani don tinai mo. Ke mo kan entrale chinang hemi caution hi voikat kan siam trale chinang. Male child antia. Who is male child of M and male child? Techu meichi B hi ni don. Yes awan haule si M kalau kang ei tu tamle mama hey M le N aniatro fa neya A le B. Now F is spouse of B kantia and D is the child of F or hemi F here. And P is the son-in-law of N. Son-in-law omzia chumo. I N fanu pasal tinania. Tero so hemi meichia ni dona. Son-in-law hemi meichia ni dona. Kati hemi mi pa ni dona hemi meichia ni dona. And hemi hi mi pa lo mani don. Oh B hi lo. B is correct answer male antia. Anming top te ka plus well murderer khachuan. Enge murder point se ka calendar khabechuan akan study. Niab study 0 kha itisia kati diklo. Ngatinge ka application akhan omchiang tukasin lom sangan calendar khabechuana kan Sunday code 0 kha itisia. No. Voi khathan entrale chinte group message yan. I entrale don ya diklutuk Sunday ni don lo. Okay, ka englo lekha I correct le lom sir B kha male ani theidan caution a engmalang silawa. B ani theidan chumo. Hey, M and N have children A le B antia and F is spouse of B. So spouse kantihan mi pale meichia eng mashiat lau. Tero D is the child of F. D is the child of F and P is the son-in-law of N. Kan enchinang. P is the son-in-law kanti to chon hei afanu anidon meichia anidona. Okay. and K is the kid of P. Male child. And each one cannot be determined. Kai. Thank you, Lutuk. Nia. Amakka tirega chin kan mokalo. Kangay to ha. Unlow given zero cannot be determined. He answer anidonio. B he answer nitelo. Because gender and given me alawa. B gender pon given lawa. Spouse poki and given law. At least spouse ki meichia mami pachu han ziakta se kan. Kan 100% thei turania. Now we question 88. Which letter in this alphabet is the 8th letter to the right of the letter and which is 10th letter to the left of the last but one letter of the alphabet? Last but one. Hemi type we can solve to chalo. Last but one kan tihan enge omzian shiam. X Y Z ami second last Y here. Okay. Now, topla matrain gan solve ang 10th letter to the left of hemi here. 10th letter to the left. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, Z, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O. Kantleng term. Khatni, thum, li, nga, ruk, sari, riat, kwa, som. O, ania. Chimizwa. Which letter in this alphabet is 8th letter to the right of? Throw. Ani. Khatni, thumli, nga, ruk, sari, riat. Hemi hi engzating o P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W or Z, Y, X, W. So W hi in answer chwana dikton chiang lutuganiya. Hey ju W ka tik ngal taf avatrave. Murder thleng trepe. Murder question omi. O or D, yes. None adik thai thawem sir. None. Khoilai mean none mo. I non hi dik thelo nga achan chu kan decide thelawa. Tro. Kan decide gender kan neilawain kan decide thai. Law. At least plus or minus chulo given ta se kan decide thai. Now next question. Hemi hi nge ava makve. SLUAY maklelo question margang chi khani. LA Los Angeles Taiga lukhuma means rapper so lukhum loko itihian. LA inkara letter pakhat chuan. U le J inkara letter pani chuan. Y le I inkara letter pathum chutiang bok chuan. E le G inkara letter pali. So definitely I Q le H inkara panga. So QH is correct. Sar imokte sami kha alau chuak chow. Niamoktes ahmami khatro. Khatami po kha means questions chu omang. Ngeang. 12th. HW ka tiknal. So hemi question ni initiatiam tro agep kan ena pakhati na tamzel. So Q le H is correct answer. Okay, this one. AG. Tiang question hi atrial chi. Tiang question hi trial chi niya. 134 good and tasty. 478 see good pictures. 729 pictures are faint and teatro. C. So C hi khoyange om. C heta omlo. So one answer ani theilawa. Phota. Chuanin heta C omlo. 729 po 9 po answer ani theilawa. Maseng heta hiana omalom second line. Definitely either 4 or 7 or 8. 2 po ani theilaw. 80 correct answer ani don. 70 ki sang ni zasari kachok chuaka OMR shita sang thumza di kalau bol to sia okay nia ui omte amain yo tiang tele masa sar pi kha amak pa ni chun afanu pasalti na khania nge mei chia ve an nilavin mo ti hian ani mo The main thing is that hey voi pakhat voi khat le chia ka zia ka chuan ka continue le pakhat voi khat le chia tian hey m le n nu pa an ni he लड़का लड़की पति पत्नी अन्य पति परमेश्वर धर्म पत्नी अन्य चिमसवा have children a le b tihian kan zia kang a le b wasen kan shemi alo a hi mi pange meichia or b hi mi pange meichia kan shalawa chimza f is spouse of b. It means f le b nupui le pasal anni ti kan shato maseng ungender tun thleng kan la shalaw chimza d is the child of f, so f in Fania. P is the son-in-law of n. Now P is the son-in-law omzia chu hey a child pakhatin nupui amo pasal chu aneito child pakhata banga. Now hemi hian I son-in-law anti vain pasal aneidon a hi meichi aneti chu kan chiang lutuk. Okay, P is son-in-law of n. Masing B gender hi kan nei kan shalawa chimi wang chunalom B gender kan nei lawa athai lawang anwai mi le chi ayo the pit genia in a certain code language pit na som bring me water na jo tod na jo tod water is life tub odd pit give me toy jo lin kot life is death life and death kanzon turi is tero atto pera izom lawa so jo hi answer ani thailo lin po answer ani thailo chumizawa give me toy chalo hata hian eng mam lawa shia theidon lo and ahma sabera hian is omem a omlo tero izom lo jan entin nge na po hi ni theinga only TOD Todd he correct answer I sir life he save la yes in save zel thau just after my englo termination 8b 7c tivel kha adik lo niang question kha okay kan endon ya I question yo TABLE and GZYOV a kai opposite letter hemi hi console no so look a opposite z tom china t opposite g and y opposite b ashiat ngala sinai a b c m thleng in zia kanga n atrangin in ziak chauleang ti hian so hey a opposite z b opposite y alang ngale a opposite z b opposite y so chair pokan kodanga engtin ZYX and H omna 8 and S anidon A opposite Z anidona and RS so I anidon omem option XS hemit pani ju cancel ngalila XS ZI loko ZI option D hi adikton option D will be adik nikum December exam I khan ahar zokin kashia kathiam lo wang zok nge harchu harlo kashil to pangjo masing tlemin antilendi dawani he harchu har lawa now min lo shil to khoinge permutation le combination and probability tivak vak thin te khain omem ta hian question pakhat po tun thleng ka kala mulawa probability le permutation combination sareng zat nge compensate omto compensate kha pani nge pathum omto nirenge nia can't be determined turalom zl ka kang lo to ka ziak to ngadi kala ziak lo mi can't be determined kan answer to lo mi let me question yo in a certain code language 3a 2b 7c truth is eternal enmity antiatro kan enchinang loko fia thailama boitlak enmity antia enmity only second line so 3a can cancel thai 7c can cancel thai truth does not perish heta hian enmity om lo so 8b kan cancel thei n9 e kan cancel thei a om zia chu mo guys a om zia chu bonus hemi po hi bonus voi khatle chi akan en le chi nang elimination method hian I enmity khita voi khatle chi kan shiliang chau avan nuam ro ve pali vel kan muto bonus to maseng english le computer ka shemi alonio gk apakhat pani oma metsa po pani om don ni hi kha ni china I question pakhat somi salary 34000 tro lo chua kha maseng option aw mi alowa increased salary chunita 38 turania c ni lo mo dikan c ni lo mo tia zomuan pui in O93 hi bonus enula in oil ochon kan ti oyang chewa landru enmity an tiatro enmity hi khoyange om only second asina om only second am tro only second am jon heng how hi option am jon kan cancel ngalte 3a option ma kan cancel 2b am lawat 7c oma kan cancel enmity om c lawa first akian chuti am bok jon third ahian truth does not perish tero so truth does not perish enmity om mi alo jon heng how poi enmity code an ni theileinem that's why 9a option d po answer ni theidon lawa and 8b po hi answer ani theidon lo in shethiam tro so bonus in dong le don ta po hian mark ru topa voi kasoi le don thawa what are the bonus marks ke man ka shillenge nge chunga now next question how many masing in like zanga pola pello lo dani ju real ru na vedan ni ka real ru a calendar thisen ringot om enge thise kaman solve chak do tak ti thisen point tirenga logo hemi how many times in a day are the hands of a clock in a straight line but opposite tiang hi englawachon kan ziak vek to regular becha yes chon jason kha achuak jason omle der silo okay kanen donya kepon kanga keng lo to how many times antiatro so opposite direction anti hian tihian voi khadar khatle minute som thum pathum vela voi khadar ni le minute som li bul nai vela voi khadar thum le 9 something voi khadar li le something voi khadar nga le avain in shiatur chu 12 hours are 12 minus 1 n minus 1 that is 11 times on a train straight line but 24 hours kanti hian chu 24 minus 2 that is 22 is correct answer okay kashala ulati tellawang computer hi ka subject ni over lawa wanru a clock is started on anilaw a clock is started at noon by 10 minutes past 5 our hand has turned through a angle type ani his sanai milsek sana mel khan maseng omziom don mi alonio achan chu degree angle vel ka find out delo artra dian lawan ru I dar engzat mo chun dar som pani now mani lok pohan ka shil chau by 10 minute past le englo hengawi enge omzia ber chu dar nga 10 minutes past antiatro past anti chun dar nga arito and dar nga le minute so mari mek tinani chu okay omzia ber chu tu na takhian dar nga le som arimek sana atihian dar nga le minute som so hemi angle hi mi our hand has turned our hand our hand zok lawenru this is our hand. This is our hand. So hemi angle zok hini to find out tur. Eng tin nga find out tur in shia. In find out dan tur chumo. Hemi dar sompani dar khat dar ni dar thum dar li dar nga dar ruk dar sari dar yat dar kuwa dar somen sompakat. One division is actually 30 degree anichin. Okay. Chumi wangchon 2 division will be 13 to 260. 3 division dar thuma za som ekati som kuwa dar liya za som ni and dar ngari khuna engzat ngeni don za som nga maseng za som nga hi answer animi alonyo a reason in shedu achan chu te train nang mani pon in shelu tukanga exactly 150 degree will be at 5 o'clock maseng kansana hi chu by 10 minutes past 5 antia chumi wan heta hiana kok don minute hand a minute hand hela mahian 2 a kok jon emi our hand potle mina tol don alo in shatiam tro and hemi tle ma tol zat po hi kan ti telangai don mi za som nga hian maseng engzat angle nge tolin shia angle tol zat will be tahian division wasiam leila 0.5 degree anichin one division maseng dar hemi som pani tengin dar ni total 10 division om so 0.5 degree into 10 division will be 5 degree so hemi ava question hi athani hemi angle hi engzat ngeni don 5 degree in add angayang. So zasom ngale panga will be correct answer. Any question? Any question kan tizia jo. 94 kichu sana kaher charcha. Ka diklau. Nya I heranga tero adi kadik I heranga voi katan try chinula in heranga mo dar ngale dar sari inkara voi ni ne line voi khachia ein straight line awmang. Hemi wanghian nya dar kar som pania voi som pakhatania and dar kar som ni palia voi som ni pani straight anom chin chuan in thildang key option how ki degree in apemia lawa I degree nan pelawa ma seng tahianai our hand has turned through antia turned through ashim shimin fill in the blanks potila tam takin turn through 60 degree allow lang nga lang hemitelimo but nia heta hen degree and given lawa chan mi po yan mani lama changin ti diklo na chu om ve thau male but kasha lawle in claim hunan sei mai thei hemitilio generally yami chu I enge common sense lo man ti thei hand hour has turned through what 145 degree okay chalo next le 1111 r anya 2222 t anya e 3333 e anya and 4444 n anya 87 kimi pa nina proof children anti hian meichia ni theya mi pa pon ni thei masing khoshna ungiven lawaing ma 96 ka beirei karis the 96 ngai na ka shalo hey voin an exam chuami yes voina an exam ania so 1111 one hi engzat ngom pali oma pali 2222 engzat ngom pariat vine bel chinel mo ta changyan clue om nge chin tiang ayan boina jo 3333 som pani and 4444 som paruk engerile letteranda guys letteranda tro r han relate chinte 4 to bermi 8 ght 8 initiatiam tam tuna 12 12 12th 12 VE anidon 12 and 16 N anidon tatrang hi kai ani 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20 ania and 20 topa y om trin y tita ka y ka wan chak nagina y ka yang thak do go bolanga y hi correct answer anidon okay masing in like lawa zanga po pel lo ni han ngei to chin to mania question mak thaya nia question mak thai one rabbit saw 6 elephants while going toward every question tiang question ni mo play store a download to o masin englo or UPSC questions ante china IS questions ante china mi kashia lok kashia one rabbit saw 6 elephants okay rabbit pakhatin elephant paruk a while going toward river acha every elephant saw 2 monkey and every elephant in 2 monkeys are going toward river rabbit po river lama kala and monkey po river lama phaya and every monkey holds one tortoise in their hand kan tiyan an kalpui don tinani chu an cute tunga tang han ngei to achin tau rabbit le zong te in bek akanga chumi bek ajin zote bekari chang and tortoise a kai don mu nam ton lu ani chon mo I zong pani tortoise pani le rabbit pakhat panga chaw loman kal panga hi lomadik antimo sir please 96 kha explain le lok mai kalaman lo 96 mo I 96 sa hian ibelang pakhat pali now pali English in angeni chin kha FOUR 4 hemi letter to berami hi ni chuti ambok chuan 2222 8 ania EIGHT to party oma and same way 5 voili oma 20 so TWENTY hey to pa y oma tunai mane nia hemi question hi cute khop mai rabbit le zong tele an kai kheramo tortoise an naute an cute thel dung male hemi satel naute mo Kolkata zoo oma naute tam do anoma mani kan pakhat ru katuma maseng anu in min mel chiang rap thlag male a man was murdered heavy hi ni a man was murdered in his office yes caution bogari tiang caution ni lar tel du content line consultant lam te mo or skula consultant inti theinan an in zot kwal thina the man suspects are okay the suspects and now the man was murdered in his office the suspect are Erickson Maggie Joel Benny Sona Petik okay Petik a calendar found near the man has blood written 6 4 9 10 11 and each one angai na amlo top thisen sar 11 tur alom sai kha arukina uncle veo oi lawa tahian masen question anziak lawa sai uncle veti khamo chumi wangjin kan include lawang I panga hi kan answer ni don hey bonus anti okay kan enchina parukania paliania pakua somle som pakhat ani jons atamber hi som pakhat ro atamber som pakhat ei chuan thil pakhatin relate thei ngalem calendar nen thil pakhatin relate thei ngalanga 11 ungiven tambera som pani pel lo chuan hemi 11 hi November tina 11 hi mo tiang hi IS question male deadline kanwanan kha englawang po khan china antinan accident type question doctor fopa emofanu mo that type of question te chuanin helama river bank pani oma chuanin long pakhata mishing le grass emo mishing le kel akalanga heta hian lion kanda anga mo means IQ question ni hi hengawi mo IQ level question vekani hi So 10 ki October ni don, and 9 ki keima date of month niya September ni dona, and 4 April ni dona, and 6 June ni don. 6 will be June ani don. Who is the killer antiring o tatro? Who is the killer ahian engtin nge relation kan siam te don. NOS nosaj VTT atopami anila VTT no atirami enzo kang NOSAJ nosaj masenga omlo niya nosaj hi omlo or Jonas Sonaj Sojan po tu manom lo tro maseng sona hi omasin anteu hey sona omasin inshat yame so sona hi answer ani theidon hey han remula mo diktewin han zia kula sona omalo chumi wangjon sona hi answer ani theidon kan uncode tina berani chu uncoda hemi nosa jatrangin amo Jason aletling zong pona zia te tawa Jason atrangin ming in zon chuanga yang in shetia mem tuna je hi da lo mai se acha nia I so answer will be sona hi ni don rizdik teetotaler itia zu hi in lo tina ami ya felve yo ngai sang thel du ani zu in lo ho hi next question 99 an thleng to male ten ve 99 an thleng to tu na zathum kan ni ve to yes maseng in suale me kal life lai khan in lut lo hai tu nine lo lut ve chan chia ka trap ton megi kha tun ma atangin karing ngel to shim megi omita hian okay Maggie mine ma khanan ben khain shiam MSG monosodium glutamate an in gashia MSG atamlu tu ka vainan ben kha India MSG means Mizoram in shia thiam dan chu ajinomoto yes ajinomoto antlak tam teluga now question number 99 here Ahmed somle dei maleva makvea tuntleng reasoning kan solve met somle dei any don te kemets lemets levan ruo enge vatvat remruat fahman momve class khamaiti yes class lak chi gatumang A, B and C can do a piece of work in 24 days, 30 days, 40 days respectively. They began the work together. Maseng C in moto pa na thokem na thoklau tiang question po hi kai metsa jon lawan ro tihian LCM in kan solvang A le B le C A in nilia thokthai B in 30 ya C in somlia now LCM find out donila by 24 5 let nga 30 let li somli let thum total work hi engzat nge total work hi mo or tihian zia kila C left 4 days before ani chon atopa nili tuin nge thok don A le B nan thok don nili an thok don yo so nikhata 9 unit an thok chuan nilia 36 units an thok don nilia atopam nilia masinga tira an vine an thokan lomi so hemi 120 atranga 36 unit pay will be engzat 1184 kan nei don okay hemi 84 hi an pathumin an thokanga tira before exiting so 5 plus 4 9 plus 3 12 and yeah 84 by 12 7 days atira 7 and atopa nili an thokha 7 plus 4 is 11 days are incomplete okay killer hi ka chu dan chu alphabet thau number ka peya 649 10 11 as ming given how zinga j atel chun ania Joel kati okay kan an chin don vai kat he method po mo kan try don ya now emi question hi in anglo tonga in 11 days turania now question number 100 P can complete a work in 12 days working 8 hours a day okay P exact nge ni khata complete thayang 12 into 8 96 unit a complete thay dona Q can complete the same work in 8 days working 10 hours ani jon Q in somriata LCM exact nge ni don in shiam 48 and thay dona 48 ani don and 0 telila dikthe donam 80 adikte so zali somriyat is the LCM zali somriyat 96 in divide la let nga ni train and zali somriyat boki 18 divide la 48 by 8 6 ani don okay now can question here if both P and Q work together working 8 hours a day so one day 11 unit incomplete thaya unmani in 8 hours 8 hours and teatro chumi wangchuan nikhata darkar hetiza thi anwar ka sorry voi khat kan se chalang lawan ru hemi total work ti na hemi an efficiency ni he so darkar khata 5 plus 6 an thok duna 11 unit incomplete thai masing darkar riatan thok dona so 88 units an thok zaudon so they will take total days and lagza turchu total work by their efficiency so han cancel chinto 18 860 zaran ya 811 zar so 60 by 11 hi adikton okay 60 by 11 hi adikton chiang tuk over ang khania now bonus questions ka voi khat ka mu chaunga and nakina in claim ngei donya and question number 100 wine gan solto mesle reasoning pakhat ma bang to lawa in claim turchu oh hey hemi 93 hi in claim ngei turani okay so tan gan zia kanga 93 chimizawa question 89 key option enchinte sir 89 moiti acha 89 kan enchinang voikat poilo englo to pachan e l a anya aninkara one gap chumizwa u le j anya aninkara gap pani chumizwa hemi y le gap pathum om nge turni I or adhika chimizwa e le q adhika chimizwa e le g sorry e le g ani jona dikren alom hey adhik chiang dukolom hemi le hemin kara panga om nge ture om so q and h is correct answer okay mon puya hemi dik q le h is correct and can't be determined and yeah hemi can hold amasing hold tita kamo assumption entinge argument is built upon hidden assumption and argument work by analogy and hemi ju dikthe dan lo relate to rom lawa the argument uses circular reasoning hemi circular reasoning hi voi khat englo nga yang in a circular reasoning assumptions kan nei si lo from poet like hidden assumptions suti thai kan nei lo wangin lom hidden format om ka teacher kaiman okay poilo hemi hi let's see answer ki aenge ni don ding e so anami poi dikaro zile this one is also correct all these are correct oh hemi pohi in claim nge turani in soidan turchu what is somi salary an tiringota so salary of somi chu 3 unit ania 34,000 masing option naum velo. That's why bonus tur mi pohi a bonus ka ziak to chimizawa omle adang Thursday train engine loco pilotom trina cockpit air pilotonom trina meningitis mi pohi dikveka ngau pohi an dikvek phot tani tuna ri chuan search iti vegetable 8 ro yes vegetable chadaw the green vegetables ke 8 thank you a alone hemi poi dika chungami tapani pokhian dik veve a hemi poi dika dikvek oh adika yes answer zela oh kimi the term Mizo officially replaced Lushai hemi 1954 tur okay hemi question ber khari ju kawan shet rei o me oh Lushai boy minga keng lo vea kamang vea at least Lushai nen in relate na zong parameters le facts chu kashiat ve ngai ni ngai turani shiat turani yes cookies okay AI Gen Z light sensitive hepatitis chimizawa easily noticed pyodika ami reflation he dikang stagflation is theidon lo chiang sa ami ju kashil to cho to reduce food price hot tertiary okay abak chu om to lo ni mo enge dang lo mem pakhat hemi hi British le hemi te pani hi British le Hindu an anti ve masing option panian lo da so 4 questions are there okay 4 questions are there total again I claim nge don ya so dan ka stop ringa good night to all of you and take care mang tha veku enge Saturday hi sir pre-recorded video later in am yes Miss le reasoning kan ya Saturday ahian ila buai dewani mo hemi voin Monday ania after 61 days it will be enge ani ton so and divide chinlamo 7 in so 7 in can divide 56 eights are and panga remainder so odd days kan belangai chin heta hian total odd days kan belangai chin question analysis to a question analysis reasoning kan say thaya reasoning is little bit yes moderate to above kan ti thai and maths is more easy to moderate GK easy yes tan kan zia kan GK easy maths asoithaya easy to moderate kati hian moderate means yes good level question and reasoning hi anuam reasoning hi chu level ka sei longa anuam because IQ ke ma thil du chi nya IQ questions ke pon ka solve na sa thil du te school life in ti thenan kan questions ti tuna hian alom thil ka shiat vak lo ma chon kai ma chon ina kan zong na sa ei computer vela engkim hi question chadau te lekhabu te kan nei no so reasoning level is good anuama moderate to difficulty thea and maths easy to moderate GK is easy now nang mani in hansei chintau enge in ngai dan harlu tu gami what is your opinion haram lo sei ve chin tau in la soi lo ni mo poilo killer kha en lete sar okay killer yes killer killer en leila munam vio miang atinge killer hi khoinge oma akila biru de mi question number oh hei hemi hi enge ta hian killer a hian metsitum nya tundang ai har yes reasoning reasonable maths medium to hard maths medium to hard intizo ka tro ai maths kamo ke tak har mi alo but alendi mai ni ha formula shia in shia chuan answer in answer thei zelang I 98 chu engtin nge kati don suspect are Erickson ania Maggie Joel Benny Sona Petik and 12 I tle manni wangin 6 engtin nge kan zia thei June 4 April 9 September 10 October and November 11 ania so hemi hi logic chu ani atunari chuan Jason Derulo animo Jason tihian kanziak masing with the help of hemi Jason ani thei thawem Erickson ani thei thawem engtin nge Erickson ani thei dan tur min shilla chuan kan endon ania engtin nge Erickson Maggie chance om lo mi I chance omlo khani lo mo reason po telanga ya antinan Jason atangin kan relate thei with the help of hemi Jason Sona kan siam thei masing Maggie intia le Erickson enge achan ani na bonus ani lawang Sona hi asiam theya Jason atangin lengthy for you hard for us that word lengthy is a 1 ton weighting us down arthara thil sahi textbook vela chen Joel antiveka okay Joel antima textbook omze chu internet mi khosh solution Maggie ka ti ke po sir amual bowin ka bow maths chu tinge masing maths ahen previous year question po chu when you digit 5 ani wangin Maggie in titopa John masing hemi digit 5 in the top atro masing digit 5 hemi 6 4 9 10 le 11 digit ani lo hi numbers ani hi so Jason and relate don taila answer hi adik ber in kashia Erickson kati Erickson in tichan a reason min lo shil ula and cut off well kachu keiman kala soi thelo because keima expected cut off color soi vetila total number of aspirants engzat in an exam total form fill ups engzat nge total attendance engzat difficulty level what is the difficulty level tite engkim check angai thina and vacancy engzat ngeom tite pohi kashalawa chumi wangchun exam hi tam thailu ma that's why ini thumni li ninga dana solve angai thina J for Joel justice for Joel okay chumi hisab poilo dule hold riang hemi poimo anmani answer ki ngak photila Maggie amo Joel amo Patrick kati Erickson intia but Sona le Sona relation aw mawangin Sona hi kan answer riang ole ani tahian kan stopang good night to all of you and please take care next video lo upload le watang amo lo live le watang thank you